Welcome to my channel, where we empower and inspire you to live your best life and to pursue your dreams. Hi there. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of universal laws, and I'm starting with one of my favorites, the law of correspondence. This law states that your inner world directly reflects your outer world. In other words, what you experience in your physical reality directly reflects your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. But how can we harness this law's power to create the life we want? Let's find out. The law of correspondence is a powerful tool for personal growth and manifestation. It's based on the idea that everything in the universe, including you, is made up of energy. And that energy is constantly in motion, creating a vibration that attracts similar vibrations. Your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions shape the pulse you're putting out into the world. Focusing on negative thoughts, beliefs, and emotions will attract more negativity into your life. But if you focus on positive thoughts, beliefs, and feelings, you'll attract abundance, joy, and success. So, how can you use the law of correspondence to your advantage? The key is to become aware of your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. Start paying attention to what you're thinking and feeling, and notice how those thoughts and feelings impact your reality. If you're struggling with negative thoughts, take a moment to reframe them. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, focus on what you do have, and express gratitude for it. Another powerful way to harness the law of correspondence is through visualization. Visualize the life you want to create, and feel the emotions that go along with that vision. As you focus on that vision, your vibration will change, and you'll start attracting similar experiences and circumstances into your life. The law of correspondence is a powerful tool that can help you transform your life, but it takes practice to master. Start by paying attention to your thoughts and emotions, and work on reframing negative thoughts into positive ones. And don't forget to visualize the life you want to create and feel the feelings that go along with that vision. With a little effort and persistence, you can harness the power of the law of correspondence and start creating the life you want. So, that's it for today's video on the law of correspondence. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on the universal laws. Until next time, keep on shining. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.